Today we are going to talk about how to link the Google Search Console to Bigquery. The process is very simple and similar to how you do this with GA4. We are going to show you the exact step-by-step process. But first we are going to talk about the why. And the first reason we can think of is that by enabling the linking process, you will have access to much more data. The user interface of Google Search Console is very limited. You can't have as much flexibility as in a data warehouse where you can use queries. The second reason, what if you want to combine the data, for example, with GA4? You will have a hard time and it won't be as fast as with using a data warehouse to combine the data from multiple sources. For example, you can use the SEO metrics from Google Search Console, combine them with the GA4 metrics. And those two reasons are, in our opinion, quite compelling to try this linking process. I am in my Bigquery account, and the first step we need to take is grant access to the Google Search Console to our Bigquery account. Head to Bigquery. In this burger menu, you need to click on I am an admin to grant access to accounts, and you need to click on grant access. The next step is to paste an address in the new principles. I will leave it in the comments. So after you paste the email, the next step is to add access types for the Google Search Console. The first one is the job user. This one will extract and load the data from the Search Console to Bigquery. And the data editor is the second access you need to give. So you save the access types and the information here, and what you need to do is to head to Google Search Console, and we'll show you the exact steps in the next part. We are going to show you what you need to do in the Google Search Console. I already done the linking process for my main properties, but I created this one for testing purposes. What you need to do is head to the settings section. So under settings, you click on bulk data export. You need to paste the cloud project ID, which you can find in Bigquery. You click on the drop down here and you've got the ID. So you copy it, paste it here. Make sure there are no spaces, and you can give it a name. If you have multiple Google Search Console accounts that are linked to Bigquery, you can add a name here optionally in the dataset location. So for my example, I choose Europe because it's close to where I live, but you can choose the United States if that's closer to you, or other location. And that's it. You click on continue, and you will get some warning here. Just keep it and click on setup export. In 48 hours, you will usually see the data populated under your data set. So you click on done. So I'm going to show you an example of how this data will look like after the export process is done. So under your data set, you will find a Search Console exported here.